Do worm farms stink? Well, here's the answer. So enjoy the video. Well, hello. Now, if you put meat products and dairy products into an indoor worm farm, yes, you're going to have some stinky odor. You don't want to be putting those two things in there. And if you have a healthy worm bin, you should not have any smell at all. It should be like an earthy, smells like dirt, refreshing. It's got a great scent to it. So don't put meats or dairies in there. And I would highly recommend and encourage you to at least every 2 or 3 weeks to fluff your bedding. And what that consists of, you put your hands in there and just fluff up the bedding. And that allows the worms and air to get in there and to flow freely. And if you don't fluff it up, eventually your bedding becomes matted down. And you don't want that to happen. You just want to have a continuous flow of air in your worm bin to prevent the smell from getting in there. So if you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, give it a like. Here are a couple other videos to check out about worms. I just want to say thank you for taking time out to watch this video, and you have a great day. Bye.